Alright guys, the new Canadian Immigration Minister, Honorable Sean Fraser, has finally come out in his first public interview, the major interview that was held with Bloomberg and Toronto Star very recently. He has talked a lot about Canadian immigration, the future coming plans and everything. Well, we are discussing those important details. That information is a part of this video. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice here in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we start this video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you want to come to Canada as an immigrant, this is the channel that you must be watching all the time. And guys, as you already know, very recently Liberals came back to power. Justin Trudeau is now back in power as the Prime Minister of Canada. And as every time elections are held, the cabinet, the ministerial cabinet undergoes a shuffling, and as a result of that, Honorable Sean Fraser, who is the immigration minister, the newly appointed immigration minister, is finally out in the open. The news was out and he took charge of the office, and he has finally come out in an interview with the Toronto Star and the Bloomberg. He has talked a lot about his plans. The first thing that he has talked about is the increased immigration plans. Now, if you remember, in the previous plan, the 3-year plan that was submitted by the previous immigration minister, Honorable Marco Mendicino, he declared that Canada will be ready to welcome out 1.2 million people in the coming 3 years. Now, that 3-year plan is already in place. And the Canadian Immigration Department, the IRCC, is already in line to meet those targets, well, especially for the year 2021. This year, we are in line to welcome 401,000 people, and the plan is very well in place. The month of October has already seen 46,000 people landed in Canada. That means, less than 90,000 people are left to meet the budget, the quota of immigrants, the landed immigrants, which I think Canada will be in line to meet very, very soon. And that is very much in the expectations of the immigration department. But the immigration minister says the Canadian borders, the Canadian employers, the communities are still facing a lot of labor shortage. He says that if the need arises and if the employers and if the communities are able to consume more workers, he is very much in the thought and he is open to increasing the immigration levels. So he might introduce an increased immigration level really soon. What happens after an after an election is that whenever a new minister comes in power, he generally tables his own plan, his immigration plan. And so, in spring 2022, the new immigration plan will be out. He says that he is very much open to increasing the plan, which really means that, you could expect coming in the next years, for the 3 years or the 4 years down the line, you could see increased immigration intakes for Canada. That is a very good news. He has also acknowledged the fact that a lot of immigration files are on hold. You already know that about 1.8 million files are still pending with the immigration department. What Sean Fraser says is that he's acknowledged that the delay is there, but the delay was not built over time. So it was not built in a single day, it was built over time. And he says he has all the right intentions to address those delays. He is already putting in a lot of effort in terms of increasing the capacity in the call centers, increasing the capacity in the offices, overseas, new hirings, digitizing the processes, making the system more transparent, getting more updates on the system. All these processes have been discussed on this channel already. He is already working on a lot of more initiatives which will be laid out in the plan, which will be tabled in spring 2022. He's already acknowledged it, and he says he has all the right intentions to fix it very, very soon. And you already know, when Canada has something in his mind with respect to immigration especially, they do it and then they put the results out in the open. Guys, the new minister's words are very promising, and we really hope that Canada continues to be an important destination for new immigrants, for students, workers, and everybody, because Canada really needs it. And we have said it over time, and so is the communication from IRCC, from the immigration minister, and the communities and everything, that the labor is still a shortage. They need more people to come to Canada to work for them, pay taxes, and take care of the whole country as a whole. Guys, I hope the news and the interview was promising. We will continue to keep you posted on any such developments. Until then, I really hope you come to Canada really soon. If you are an aspiring immigration applicant, I really wish you all the best, and I really hope to see you soon in Canada.